How to add modes in Brawlhalla. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can have modes or other gameplays. First of all, open the application. So in mobile, you cannot directly add other modes, but there are other ranked games that are available. So tap on this ranked. So there are other options like 1v1, 2v2, 3v3 and joint ranked. So select the one with which you want to play and tap on it again. Now select the character with which you want to play. So these are the available characters. Now here on the right, tap on this tick button. Now tap on tick again. Now you are ready for battle. You can play the game however you like. So you can even add friends or play with the bots. Tap on this tick button on the right again and you'll be ready to play. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.